Hi guys, this is Crypto Lex and today we will review STEPN. STEPN is so popular right now, and what is STEPN? STEPN is a Web3 lifestyle app with social fee and game fee elements. Users are equipped with NFT sneakers, walk, jog or run outdoors to earn GST, which can be used to level up and mint new sneakers. Also, players can choose to lease or sell their NFT sneakers on the in-app marketplace, and users' GST earnings are stored in the in-app wallet, which has a built-in swap function. This project is so popular right now, and we're gonna review this project in this video. You can join today and make your steps count. There is a lot of steps already: distance run and carbon offset and calories burned. You can see these are on here, and they have $2,000 Discord members and a lot of Twitter members. As you can see, there is a roadmap in here. The roadmap has started in August, and we are currently in this place, 2022 quarter 2. We are currently in this phase of the roadmap, and this project is looking good, guys. This is so popular right now, and GMT price is increasing so massively, and we are going to talk about GMT price also. And there is an email box in here. If you enter your email in this button, you will get any updates about this STEPN project. And as featured in Bloomberg, Yahoo News, Yahoo Finance, Cointelegraph, Benzinga, Nasdaq and MarketWatch, there is a lot of article about this STEPN project. A lot of article is published: Bloomberg, Yahoo News, Yahoo Finance, Cointelegraph, Nasdaq. A lot of article has been about this project button, and you will go to the Yahoo News about this project. Sydney, Australia, December 10, 2021. The first move to earn NFT game powered by Solana is ready to launch in public beta version on 20 December 2021. And the STEPN team won the Solana Ignition Hacktation Gaming Track and was invited to host its first crypto running event during the Solana Lisbon Breakpoint conference. And this project is looking nice. There is a lot of articles, and the team, as you can see, the team members is in here. And if you click these buttons, and you will see their LinkedIn profiles or Twitter profiles. This guy is co-founder, and this guy is also co-founder, CEO and lead designer, and the other team members, the advisors, also you can see they're in here. And their backers, Sequoia and Follies Ventures and Binance, Almada Research, Solana Ventures, a lot of backers of this project. They are supporting this project, and this project is going to bigger every single day. And if you're wondering how can I step and how can I these coins just by walking, you will click this how to play button and how to make your step counts. And this is so simple, guys. First, one step: choose a sneaker that fits your fitness level. There is a lot of sneakers, and you can update also these sneakers: walker, jogger, runner and trainer. This is, you can earn 4 coins, 5 coins, 6 coins and 4 to 6 coins. And this trainer is looking good, and you will find a sneaker from the in-app marketplace, and so you will search your filter on a sneaker to gain a higher engineering level. And shoebox contains one sneaker with random type and quality. And sneaker detail page, you can see your sneakers details about this page: your comfort, resilience, luck, efficient, quality, or something. A lot of things about this page. And you will equip your sneaker and move outdoors, burn energy and earn handsome rewards. You will see this page on this here. Measure running outdoors with GPS. Anti-chatting: you're not earning if you are moonwalking. You have to walk really walk. And if you're moonwalking, you are not earning. This is just chatting, guys. And you have to be a strong GPS. If you have a strong GPS, you will earn. If you have a low GPS, you're not gonna earn, or you will earn so low. So you guys have to a strong GPS. And this is all about these things. You will check and flex, check your earnings and share on social. That is it, guys. You will earn so quickly. And if you're an Android user, you can download this app for Android or iOS. This is so simple. If you're scanning this QR code, you also can download this application, or if you want to click these buttons in here, you can also download. This is so easily. And if you click this three ladder in here, you will go to the white paper site. There is a lot of information about this project, overview, getting started, game fee elements, game fee system, social fee elements. A lot of things is also in here. There is, you can see other systems like inventory system, notification system, activation code system. You can see marketplace, tokenomics, decentralized wallet, governance, carbon offsetting, privacy, and change the logging. If you click this overview button, you will see what is STEPN. STEPN is built around essentially daily activity for most people moving around, and we are the first project to effectively bring the live functionality move and earn concept, finishing 4 out of 500 plus projects at the Solana Ignition Hackathon 2021. Users equip themselves with an NFTs in the form of sneakers by walking, jogging, or running outdoors. Users will earn game currency, which can either be used in game or crushed out of profit. With GameFi, STEPN aims to nudge millions towards a healthier lifestyle, combat climate change, and connect the public with Web3, all while simultaneously hanging on the social fee aspect to build a long-lasting platform fostering user-generated Web3 content. You can see all the things. If you're wondering a lot of information about this project, you can see these details in the white paper page. There is also a Linktree file in here. What is STEPN? Also, Binance has a research for green metaverse token. You can see the price in here. The price is currently $2.70, and you can also read the Binance research about this project. I will get these links on the description of the video. You can see these links on the description of the video. You can see GMT token allocation on projected team, complete milestones, marathon mode, quest system, background mode, everything about this project. If you're wondering, I will add these links to the video description, and you can easily to read these papers: white paper, FAQ, iOS download, Android download, GST price, GMT price, and also social networks. Do not believe the scammers. This is official networks: Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Reddit, Medium, Instagram. Also these are their social medias. Also other calendar. If you want to be partner with STEPN, you will also click these things: AMA, Twitter Space, interviews. And if you want to work with there, you will click this button. And if you can if you're not know English, you can also this other language support this link. Just Linktree. You will click this Linktree and you will go to the everything about this project. If you have any questions about STEPN project, you can ask it in the comments, and you can also ask your questions by joining the STEPN official Telegram group. Links about the STEPN will be in the description of the video. If you like the video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm not a financial advisor and this video is not a financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. See you in a new video.